You guys are trying to talk partners? Calvin and Irene, you guys are good? Okay? Alright. I'll give you 3, 2, 1 to come back. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Nice job. Okay. Alright, good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, I have a message to share with you today. I'm going to read the message to you, and then we're going to talk about the message. Okay? You can follow with your eyes. Dear amazing word learners, last night I was awoken by a siren in the distance. It was so loud that it disrupted my sleep. I was disturbed and wide awake. Today I feel tired, grumpy, and disgruntled. When is a time you have felt dissatisfied? Love, Dr. Newton. Would you turn and talk for just a minute? When is the time you have felt dissatisfied? Go ahead and turn and talk. School. Let's come back in 3, 2, 1. Oh, thank you. That's a nice job. So yesterday when I came in, we discovered the prefix did, dis, or diff, right? And we decided that it meant not or apart. So let's take a look at our message. And I'm wondering what words you see in our message that you think might have our prefix, did, dis, or diff, and have a meaning of not or apart. Take a look. When you have one, just show a thumbs up. Or 2. Turn and share the word with your partner. Let's come back in 3, 2, 1. What are some words you guys found that you think have our prefix did, diff, or dis? Yes, honey.
Dissatisfied.
Dissatisfied. We talked about that one over here. Dissatisfied. Show me a thumbs up if you agree. Dissatisfied. I'm going to go ahead and underline that. What does dissatisfied mean? You're dissatisfied. You're feeling what, sweetie?
You're not like happy if you're not interested.
Yeah, you're not happy with how things are going, right? You're not interested. So I was not happy last night with how my night was going when I was woken up. I was really dissatisfied. I was not happy. What other words did you find? Sia, what did you guys find, hon?
Disturbed.
Disturbed. Disturbed. Let's talk about the word disturbed. Define here. Disturbed. What does that mean if you're disturbed? If something is disturbed.
You were going hard for what you of what you were doing, like you feel disturbed about like the time you were going of like what you were doing.
Okay, so if you're disturbed, right, things are not going the way you want them to go. Disturbed. What else do you think disturbed might mean? I love how you're using that word not. Yes, sweetheart.
Disturbed kind of means like when you're getting annoyed or something.
Yeah. If you're disturbed by something, you're annoyed by it. You might be upset by it. You might be bothered by it. What are you not? What are you not? You're disturbed. You're not what?
Not like you're not
You might complain if you're disturbed. If I'm disturbed, I am not calm. I am not happy. I am not peaceful, right? So when things are disturbed, they're not in the order that we want them to be in, right? Remember we talked about that figurative meaning, right? That's sort of a figurative meaning, right? And it's something you feel sometimes on the inside, right? It's not the way I want it to be. What other words did you find that you think might have our prefix dis? Yes, sweetie pie. What, sweetie pie?
Can I go there?
Yeah, come on up. Thank you for underlining that. And you know what? We're going to talk about this word disgruntled. We're going to talk about it together, and I'm going to show you a new strategy. So I'm going to put this one on hold for just a minute. Thumbs up if you think we have the dis prefix in disgruntled.
I got one.
Okay, hon. I bet you guys have even more than what we have. All right, what I want to do right now, and I know there are even more words in our message that you guys have discovered, right? And I'll leave it up, and you can come up and underline those words later in the day, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I want to show you today a strategy that you can use to help you figure out new words when you read. So one of the things readers and writers do is they look for prefixes they know to figure out new words. And this is how you do it. You look at the new word and you look for a prefix you might know. You ask, what does the prefix mean? And then you think, how does that meaning fit with the rest of the word? Or where is the meaning of the prefix in this word? And you put it all together, right? If the prefix means then the word might mean So can I show you how I do that? I'm going to show you this cool word that you discovered for us. This word disgruntled might be a new word for you. If it's not a new word, you could just watch my video. Okay, so I said today I feel tired, grumpy, and disgruntled. And I might not know what that word means, right? So I'm going to divide it to figure out what it means. The first thing I'm going to do is look for a prefix I might know. Oh, well, I know the prefix dis. And I know it means not. And then I'm going to ask, how does the meaning fit with the rest of the word? So I said today I feel tired, grumpy, and disgruntled. Sort of feeling not really happy, right? Not calm. So where is the meaning of not in this word? Well, if I'm disgruntled, I'm not happy, am I? I'm not pleased with how things are, right? You would be disgruntled if a siren woke you up in the middle of the night. Now I'm going to put it all together. If the prefix means not, then the word might mean not happy. Let me see if that makes sense. Okay? Guys, show me thumbs up if you think it makes sense. So today I feel tired, grumpy, and disgruntled. I feel tired, grumpy, and not happy. Does that fit?
Yeah.
Yeah. So did you see how I looked for a prefix that I knew? I asked myself, what does that prefix mean? And then I thought, how does that meaning fit with the rest of the word? Where is the meaning of the prefix in this word? And I put it all together. If the prefix means the word might mean This is a strategy you guys can use whenever you read and you come to those new interesting words you're not sure of. I'm going to give you a chance to practice. I'm going to put a sentence on the board and you guys are going to practice. This is the sentence you're going to practice with. I'll say it and I'll also write it so we have it up here. I dissent with my teacher's decision to take away recess.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Okay. So what I want you guys to do, put your hands down for a minute. You're going to get a chance to practice with your partner. I want you to practice with the word dissent. If you know the word dissent, just tell it to your partner. Practice going through the steps. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for a prefix you might know. You're going to ask, what does the prefix mean? And then you're going to think, how does that meaning fit with the rest of the word? Where is the meaning of in this word? And put it all together. If the prefix means then the word might mean Okay? I dissent with my teacher's decision to take away recess. Go ahead, divide and conquer to figure out dissent. Go ahead, turn and talk.
I
Well, that's what I just asked. That's not what it means. I think you're right.
I'm thinking
So they disagree.
Let's come back in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, I heard so much interesting thinking. I heard so much interesting thinking. People figuring out what the word dissent might mean. So I'm going to tell you what some people said, and if you agree, you show me thumbs up. So some people thought dissent meant not agree. Did you? Yeah? Yeah. Okay. All right. Some people thought it meant disagree, which is a synonym for not agree, right? Okay? Okay. I'm going to share with you some thinking that I heard 2 readers do. If you guys did similar thinking, you can just show me thumbs up. So I was listening to 2 readers talking, and one reader said, well, I think it means disagree because it's not right to take away recess. And the person disagrees with that. So what that reader was doing was using what was happening in the sentence to help them, right? Using what we call the context, right? That's a great strategy readers use. Another reader said, oh, I agree with you because dis means not. So I think it means not agree because dis means not. Okay? So thumbs up if you use the prefix as a way in. So did you see how when you had this new word, and now you know this new word, if you dissent with a decision, you disagree with it, right? You are not okay with that. You are not okay. Your thinking is apart from what the decision maker thought, right? You dissent, okay? So today and every day, when you guys are figuring out new words, especially these really cool, interesting words you're going to find in your reading and writing, you can practice when you don't know what a word means. Look for a prefix you might know. Ask yourself, what does the prefix mean? Think, how does that meaning fit the rest of the word? Where is the meaning of in this word? And then put it all together. If the prefix means then the word might mean right? And I'm going to come in tomorrow. We're going to do a little bit more exploring with this amazing prefix. Cool. Thank you, readers.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
All right, board continue.